perceiving is a vibe.
You're such a positive person. I want to know the worst moment of your life.
I mean, yeah, the worst moment of my life is actually when my pet passed away. More than my pet, he was my brother. And a lot of people make fun of dog owners calling their pets their
Family.
family. But like, what? I have a tattoo in his name.
Nice.
It
I
says
understand that.
Sir Laser Singh. So I think losing him has by far been the worst possible thing in my life.
Okay. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, it's okay. He lived king size, 13 and a half years. He was only pampered.
What breed was he?
He was a Labby Retriever.
Okay, nice.
Which we had adopted because he had been chucked out of his previous house
God.
because he was that kamina.
Oh, wow.
So they were just like, what is this? ये जंगली है, इसको नहीं रखना है.
Why do you think people abandon dogs? Like, what gets into a human being to be able to abandon a dog?
I don't understand what gets into a human being when they do any form of cruelty. And this is not like, this is such a like everyday phenomenon that like people don't think. Like Diwali ke time pe to is the worst for any animal in the city. क्योंकि लोग पागल हो जाते हैं. Like I don't know, like to answer your question, I don't know what gets into people or what triggers them. I think it's just that unhappiness and that toxicity within yourself that comes out in ways, and it comes out on people and things that can't really fight back. You know, they say pick someone your own size. They're not capable of picking someone their own size. And that's why they take it out on animals who can't really say anything. They just have to suffer.
That's what they say about relationships also, that in the first 2 years, you'll be in your honeymoon phase.
Yeah.
It'll be good.
Yeah.
And then in your third, fourth year, if you have any unresolved issue inside you, it comes out as projections on the other person.
Oh.
Because you know that, the other person won't leave you. They're with you now. They're
Taken
your
for
partner.
granted wala scene ho
So you
jata
start taking them for granted by projecting on them. Matlab, if anything's going wrong in your life, suppose your boss has shouted at you, you'll carry that anger into your relationship and you shout at them for something stupid.
Got
Which
it.
can be avoided.
So like displaced anger.
Yeah.
And all
exactly,
of that.
Exactly.
So you think people like so insecure boyfriends are just insecure girlfriends are just projecting their insecurity on the partner.
Insecure
in terms
boyfriends and insecure girlfriends are a result of bad parenting. So not bad parenting, but like ignorant parenting. Like,
I'd like to hear more about this.
so if say you have daddy issues as a girl, okay, growing up, and all your life you've not been that close to your dad.
Right.
You've been close to your mom, but you've not been close to your dad. And like your dad comes home from office, but he's like always just like working and all. He doesn't want to talk to you much and all. So you've grown up without that. So you've always kind of somewhere wanted some kind of a father figure in your life. And when you get that boyfriend who is your love, he loves you, he does a lot for you. Somewhere you start filling up that void that's in you because of your dad with that boyfriend's energy.
Right.
And then once that energy is yours, because you've never experienced it in your life, it's like the first time you're ever eating like a chocolate cake in your life.
Right.
You've never had the taste of chocolate in your mouth, but the first time you're eating a chocolate cake, it becomes so nice. And then sometimes, it doesn't happen for everyone, but sometimes it might become a possessive relationship.
Okay.
So they say that possessiveness, insecurity, all these are some childhood issues.
Okay.
Or it could be in the case of, how there's a lot of Indian guys who aren't comfortable with things that their girlfriends wear. So say they're going out, they'll be like, no, how can you wear this? That also comes from some kind of childhood experience where maybe that guy's father has told his mother that,
so
what
your
are you
process
wearing?
of socialization basically, growing up.
Yeah. Whatever you grow up seeing, it becomes a part of your personality. And very importantly, the way you react to situations, the way you behave in a relationship, the way you treat the opposite sex.
Right.
It's usually a lesson you've learned from the way you've seen your parents interact.
Right.
Because you're not allowed to talk in their interaction.
Correct. Yeah.
But so you think that whatever they are doing is the rule of the world.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's
I don't know why
true.
I'm giving you so much gyan about
No,
this.
I mean we're both giving each other gyan.
Yeah.
High five.
Yeah, that's number 7 on my list of things I like about it, that you accept and give gyan. Okay. I want to ask you, how ambitious are you as a person?
I've noticed whenever I've tried being ambitious, it's not worked out for me. Whenever I have just, it's as stereotypical as it sounds, but काम करो, फल की चिंता मत करो, वो आप करते हो ना, you actually like things work in your favor. So I wouldn't say I'm very ambitious.
Do you work towards some long-term vision?
No, I never set long-term goals.
So it's always just, I'm doing this
It's
web
short-term
series.
goals. It's achievable short-term goals that come, again, it need not be a quarterly goal or a monthly goal also. One goal can be like, in the next week I need to achieve this goal, or it can be over for example, so before